one of the things we talked about in one of our other presentations was how when a lawyer, in this case from our law firm, represents someone before the Social Security Administration, not only do we assist the claimant in preparing them for their testimony, but also helping them with any witnesses that may be brought. Could you let folks know a little bit about the type of witnesses that you can expect to see at a Social Security disability hearing?
Sure. One of the experts that is typically found at a Social Security hearing is called a vocational expert. The judge will oftentimes ask for testimony from that expert, and their job is to determine whether or not there are any jobs within the national economy that the claimant can do based on the restrictions or a number of different restrictions that are found in the records. And that's typically our job, is to determine and eliminate those jobs and to suggest to the judge that those jobs aren't really jobs that the claimant can perform. Let me give you an example. A vocational expert might testify that a claimant can perform jobs doing such as being a greeter at a local convenience store. But we would then present testimony and evidence to suggest that really the claimant has a difficult time getting out of bed every day or such, and we would, that's where we present evidence to suggest that that job's not really a practical job for the person.
So you really try to bring some of the facts alive for someone when they have this hearing in front of a judge.
Absolutely, and that's one of the things that we've found, that claimants that attempt to represent themselves or have someone that's a non-lawyer represent them have some difficulty doing because they're not prepared or properly trained to cross-examine those vocational experts.
All right. So you know it's important that you really should consider a lawyer. Whether it's from the Coy Law Firm or another law firm, you should consider having an advocate to represent you if you go to the Social Security Administration to bring your claim for disability. Sometimes you need justice. Sometimes you need a lawyer. 866-WADE-COY.